Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about how to style sweatshirts. So today I'm going to show you 4 outfits how you can style sweatshirts, and all of them are basically going to be streetwear outfits that you can rock every day. Not to the most formal event, but it's more casual and more laid back looking outfits that we can work in. So before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below what you think about the outfits. So I'm only going to use one crew neck for the video just to show you don't need a lot of pieces to have a versatile outfit range. But I am going to show you my 3 favorite sweatshirts at the moment. Starting off with the first one, it's a sweatshirt from Off-White. It's just a basic white sweatshirt with the big cross, diagonal crosses on the back. This is a collaboration from South Africa with Black Coffee. It's quite nice. For number 2 we have this Tommy Hilfiger sweatshirt. It's also quite nice because it's plain white. White sweatshirts are like my favorite, so you'll come to find that. And yeah, this just has a gold, red and white logo of Tommy Hilfiger with the New York logo on the front and nothing on the back or on the arms. And for number 3 we have this old Plan B sweatshirt. I got it in maybe like 2014, 2013, so it's quite old, but I still love it and it still holds up still today. So this one's just black with the red Plan B logo and still nothing at the back except for that small Plan B logo. This is the sweatshirt I'll be using for today's video for all the outfits, just because I just want to show you don't need more expensive stuff in your wardrobe to dress better. Like, this thing is more on the cheaper side, and it's usually what you can do with the clothes than the clothes itself. So that's why I'm using this one. So yeah, let's get into it and I'll show you the 4 outfits. Okay guys, so for outfit number 1, I'm wearing the Plan B sweatshirt. Underneath it is just a plain black tee. And for bottoms, I'm just wearing Adidas sweatpants with the CDG Converse. I think this is a more athletic type of look, but I'm still thinking it's casual enough. So starting off with outfit number 2, we have the Plan B sweatshirt again, but this time I've tucked it in a little bit to show off more of the white tee underneath it. The white tee is always just a plain t-shirt. And then with that I'm wearing black skinny jeans. Well, not black, but more of a greyish wash to them. I got them from Cotton On. And then for shoes I'm wearing the Alexander McQueen oversized sneakers. So for outfit 3, I'm wearing a black t-shirt underneath the sweatshirt, paired with, I'm wearing G-Star Raw jeans that are slim fit, as well as Air Jordan 1s in the hair colorway. And lastly, for outfit 4, I'm wearing the sweatshirt with the white tee underneath it, as well as a pair of ripped Levi jeans and then the Doc Marten high boot. So there you have it guys, the 4 outfits that I put together for you. Most of them are, you can see, really plain and put together, like you can wear it every day and still look good without any effort. So please comment down below which was your favorite. So personally number 2 was my favorite because that's more how I would dress on a daily basis, but all of them are quite nice for me. So comment down below which one was your favorite, and then I'll see you in the next video. Sweet.